Bogg Bags are now available at Eagle Eye. Bogg Bags are the perfect match for your next adventure. It's washable EVA material that is durable, tip-proof, comes in a variety of fun colors, and is perfect for carrying almost anything. Each baby Bogg comes with one clear insert bag that snaps into the holes on the inside or the outside of the bag. Perfect for keeping smaller items in tow. Bogg Bags have a huge selection of accessories like makeup bags, bring your own tote, luggage tags, Bogg bits, decorative inserts, and cooler inserts. They truly are the perfect accessories for your next trip. For current in-stock colors and sizes, visit us online at shopeagleeye.com/boggbags or shop in store. We offer free in-store pickup, free curbside pickup, and flat rate shipping. Get yours today.